Oh, I also majored in merchandise marketing. Sorry, I forgot to say that. I graduated in 2015, I think. Yeah, but yeah, that's me. Hi.
Hi, my name is Dominique. I have a professional designation in fashion design. I graduated in 2012. I am the founder and president of Hope Healing Foundation. We are a 501c3 nonprofit organization that gives makeovers to chronically ill, terminally ill, disadvantaged youth, LGBTQIA youth in the LA area, and we are looking to expand. You're gonna make me cry later. That's right.
So, you guys, you know what the theme of this panel is? What's the theme for today? Did you read it? Did we had to put it on Instagram with a picture for you to read it? Y'all are a mess, right? So that's all right. See, we understand. So it's entrepreneurs who make a difference. So let's give it up to our 4 entrepreneurs. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have them go back to when they were, and that's what I asked them earlier today, to remember back when they were in high school, and when did they start to think about their creative selves, and what were some of the things that were going on in their mind when they were kind of having that conversation, and then we're going to kind of bring them forward. And we can start wherever, it doesn't have to be a line, so we just kind of start. Okay.
I'm happy.
There you go.
This is perfect.
Yeah.
I'm happy.